Current affairs, today's headlines, November 2, 2022. India. Foundation Days of Haryana, MP, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Kerala, AP celebrated on November 1. PM Modi lays foundation stone of projects worth around 860 crore rupees at Jambugoda, Gujarat. Rajasthan. PM addresses, Mangar Dham Ki Gaurav Gatha program at Mangar Dham in Banswara district. President inaugurates 7th India Water Week at Greater Noida. UP. Department of Youth Affairs, NSS and NYKS organize unity runs in all districts across the country. 21st meeting of SCO Council of Heads of Government held in virtual format. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. J. Shankar represented India. India donates $2.5 million to support education, healthcare of Palestinian refugees. India gifts 200 vehicles to Nepal as logistic support.